Alright, creating a moving screen for OBS. Here is a moving Mario. Again, for this video, we grabbed these pictures off of Google. We just typed GIF at the end. And whichever is compatible and that'll fit into Canva is what we will use. So here's a Mario one. There we go. Copy that in and get that in there, the welcome sign. These pictures were requested. And then we're gonna put Mario Party Hero sign in. Make it bigger. Try to get it right in the middle and let's see. Make it a little bigger. There we go. Perfect. And then we'll add Toad. Make him a little smaller. Then that way he could fit with Mario moving around. There we go. I think I got it. Yep. Now we got Daisy. There we go. Put it right there. Perfect. And then we'll grab, let's see, who should I pick here? Move her up a little bit. There we go. Now she's in the right spot. I just had to fix that. Alright, so now we'll grab Peach. And I did flip her over. There we go. With that little flip bar up there, you could flip her horizontal or side to side. Shrink her down until she is the right size. And then Toadlet, my favorite character. Add her in. There we go. And this is an easy guide tutorial on how to make a moving OBS screen background. It's the same for when you add your BRB screens, just put loop. It's the same way for adding these guys in to make them move. Then we add these dancing guys, Luigi and Mario. There we go. Quick, fast, easy, and done. And now all we gotta do is download it. Just making sure everything's in the right spot. The way I like it. Again, this is on thumbnail for YouTube on Canva. But the only difference is when you download it, you make sure it says that right there. MP4. That's what you want to make your screen move for OBS. So if this video has helped you out, please, please, please smash that like, leave a comment, and I hope your dreams do come true for making your screens move on OBS and come to life. And the download only just takes a few minutes. Again, like the last video, you just drag it to your desktop. It's almost done downloading. You grab it from your download bar in the internet, of course, and then you drag it to your desktop. It's almost done. There we go. Give it a few more minutes. So now it's done. And then drag it to the desktop. And then we can hit play. It'll see the preview of our moving OBS screen. It'll be right here in a moment. And now, let's give it a watch. I hope this has helped. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Bye!